Milford Sound is located in Fiordland National Park on New Zealand's South Island's southwest coast. Te Wahipunamu, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, includes the park. Milford Sound is the crown gem of Fiordland National Park, a hidden treasure awaiting discovery. Milford Sound, despite its name, is a fjord, not a sound. It is also the only road-accessible fjord in New Zealand. However, its secluded position, surrounded by high cliffs and deep jungle, ensures that its unique traits stay untouched. Even the most seasoned traveler is captivated by Milford Sound's magnificent surroundings, ink-dark waters, cascading waterfalls, and mesmerizing views, rain or shine. Milford Sound's topography makes it a really exceptional site to explore, with its awe-inspiring scenery, clean environment, and remote and rugged beauty. Milford Sound is a long, narrow strait at the far northern extremity of Fiordland National Park that opens onto the Tasman Sea. Milford Sound is roughly 16 kilometers long from the fjord's head to the open sea, so tourists may safely travel down it to the open sea and back on one of the several Milford Sound cruises available. The fjord is up to 400 m deep in parts. Milford Sound's biodiversity features some of the world's most fascinating and unusual creatures and plants. A maritime reserve protects the fish and visiting animals like seals and dolphins, while native rainforest borders the cliffs, housing valuable birds. Here's a look at the animals of Milford Sound. Milford Sound has a distinctive appearance due to the constant rainfall and surrounding rainforest. The top layer of water is fresh water, while the remainder is salt water from the Tasman Sea. Milford Sound, like the rest of the South Island's west coast, is known for its heavy rains. Milford Sound is New Zealand's wettest populated area, and one of the wettest in the world. The average annual rainfall at Milford Sound is 6,813 millimeters, and it rains 182 days per year. 250 millimeters of rain might fall in the area during the course of 24 hours. During the New Zealand summer, the two rainiest months are actually December and January. So, regardless of the season or the Milford Sound weather prediction, it's a must-see. Milford Sound has very cool weather almost all year round. Similarly, there is an increase in cold from May to October, and July can be called the coldest month. The average temperature in that month can be called 3 degrees Celsius. Similarly, the hottest month is January. The average temperature in that month is about 15 degrees Celsius. Milford Sound is located about 750 kilometers from the city of Christchurch on the South Island of New Zealand. You can reach this station after about 9 hours of destination. Alternatively, if you are traveling from the North Island of New Zealand, you can fly from Auckland to Queenstown and travel to this destination from there. Also, you can fly from Christchurch to Queenstown, and from there you can also visit this destination. Stay tuned to discover your travel destination with Touroopi. Follow us on social media now. Thank you.